All right, I'm going to do number 3. The first 4 problems do long division, and the last 4 problems do synthetic. So my dividend, x to the fourth plus 10x cubed plus 13x squared minus 60x minus 33. And I need my vinculum. Number 3. This is number 3. And my divisor. What is it? X plus 7. Okay, so I'm going to multiply x plus 7 by something to give me x to the fourth, right?
X third or X?
X cubed, right? So x cubed. It gives me my x to the fourth. Okay, x cubed times 7. 7x cubed, right? Then I'm going to subtract that quantity, x to the fourth minus x to the fourth. These eliminate. 10x cubed minus 7x cubed.
3X cubed.
Bring down the 13x squared. Okay, so I'm going to take my divisor, x plus 7. Going to multiply it by something to get 3x cubed, right?
Yeah, don't forget the 13 is squared.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Let's see, I need a 3 and an x squared, right? Okay, 3x squared times 7, 21x squared. Going to subtract that quantity. These eliminate. 13x squared minus 21x squared.
Negative 8.
Good. So I'm going to take x plus 7, multiply it by something to get negative 8x squared. So I need a negative 8, and I need an x. Oh, I forgot to bring down my minus 60 here. Okay, negative 8x times 7, negative 56x. Gonna subtract that quantity. These eliminate. Negative 60x plus 56x negative 4x bring down my minus 33. So I'm going to take my x plus 7, multiply it by something to get negative 4x. So all I need is a negative 4, right? Negative 4 times 7. Good. Going to subtract this entire quantity.
-5.
Good. Yep, that's to the, x to the fourth.
There's not enough room to write this whole
I know that's why I used to. I found that out last hour. I should have gave you guys more room. Sorry. So my answer: x cubed plus 3x squared minus 8x minus 4 minus my remainder 5 divided by
x plus 7.
good. There we go. So that's long division. Let's do a let's do number 6. Synthetic. That's synthetic division. So number 6. My dividend. Well, let me write the problem down. The f of x equals x cubed minus 7x squared plus 6x minus 1. And the f of x, or x equals 6. Okay. So what's my factor here?
-6.
Yeah, my factor would be x minus 6, right? In case we have a remainder, we have to use the factor, right? Okay, my coefficients. Coefficient of x cubed. 1. Coefficient of x squared.
7. -7.
Coefficient of x to the first. And my constant. My divisor for synthetic, I need the 0, so I need the 6. Or may or may not be a 0. We'll see. All right, let's see. Need to bring down the 1. Then I'm going to multiply it to the 6. To get 6. Then I'm going to add.
Wait, I thought the 6 would be negative.
That's my factor.
Man, I got something
Okay. If I were to use long division, I would need my factor. When you do synthetic division, you need the actual value of x.
wrong. All right. Thank
Okay.
you. All right.
Okay. Negative 7 plus 6 is negative 1. -1 times 6.
-6.
Good. 6 plus -6.
0.
0 times 6. -1 plus 0. So we have a remainder. So 6 is not a 0. Okay, what's my answer?
X cubed. X squared.
Good. Minus 1x plus 0. And then we have a remainder over, I got to use factor, x minus 6. Or it's really not a factor, but it's our divisor. If it was a factor, we would have ended up with no remainder. Oh, by the way, you don't have to put that 0 there. You could just say x squared minus x minus 1 over x minus 6. Either one. Yes, sure. Okay, let's do number 8, and then you guys will be off on your own. Number 8. Okay, the f of a. And if you guys want to use x, that's fine too. Kind of used to x myself. Equals a to the fourth plus a to the third minus 18a plus 24. And they want us to use the divisor 2, so a equal 2. What's my factor? My divisor is going to be a minus 2, right? But we have to use what a is equal to. Okay, ready? What are my coefficients? What's coefficients of a to the fourth? Coefficients of a cubed. Coefficients of a squared. That's 8 to the first, right? What about a squared? 0. Good. Because there's a 0x squared there, right? And then my constant. My divisor, I have to use the actual value of a, which is 2. We ready? Bring down the 1.
Oh, we have to include a 0 in this?
Yes. So with both divisions, even long division, you have to put a 0 in. Okay. 1 times 2, 2. We're going to add these together, right? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 times 2, 6. 0 plus 6. 6 times 2. Negative 18 plus 12.
No. Yeah.
We good?
Yeah, sorry.
Negative 6 times 2. 24 minus 12. So we get another remainder, right? So my answer, Started at 4, so we have an a cubed. Positive 3a squared. Positive 6a minus my constant 6. Then I have a remainder of positive 12 over,
Negative x minus 2.
yep. Does that give you enough examples to do them?
Yep. Yeah.
You good? Alrighty then. We should be able to get this done by the end of the class.